As we explore the multifaceted world of music, it's evident that there are numerous ways for musicians to generate income. From streaming on digital platforms to monetizing YouTube content, from leveraging crowdfunding platforms to securing licensing and sync deals, and from selling merchandise to performing live shows, the opportunities are vast and varied. But remember, success in the music industry demands more than just talent. It requires a strategic approach, consistent efforts, and an entrepreneurial mindset. It's about building a brand, creating a strong fan base, and delivering value to that audience. So, whether you are an emerging artist just starting out or a seasoned musician looking to diversify your income streams, these strategies offer a starting point to navigate the complex landscape of the modern music industry. Now the stage is yours. Explore these strategies, harness your creativity, and turn your passion for music into a profitable venture. After all, the world is eagerly waiting to listen to your unique melody. It's time to strike a chord and make your music reverberate across the globe. And remember, every note you play, every song you create, is a step closer to making your dreams come true. So, don't hold back. Let your music speak. Let it soar. Let it be the soundtrack to someone's life, because in the end, isn't that what being a musician is all about?